Cletus farm. We are in Mr. Cletus farm. All the way from Lagos, we are in Porthacourt right. What's the name of the Eleka. Obiako city, right? Yes, this is the farm we are now in Obiako local government. We are here, and these are the managers for that farm. But the owner of the farm is Cletus and gone home. But I just want to confirm to you that the treatment that we have actually done is working. So we want to take a sample of their water from the borehole. So from the borehole we will confirm if their water is good or not for action. This is Mr. Dennis, this is Mr. This is kenodux right here in Mr. Cletus farm. As you can see, they found a very massive farm, very massive. Right there in Mr. Cletus farm. Mr. Dennis, take a sample of the water and let's see the acidity of the water, the pH of the water. As you can see, just take a sample of the water. Let me ask you. Okay.
What I'm doing now,
We are taking 5 mil from here. 5 mil. Take 5 mil from 5 mil. Confirm is 5 mil. Okay.
confirm.
Okay, take this is aqua lodge. Okay, we are loading with 5 drops. 1, 2, 3. Even at 3 drops, you can see that it's very, very acidic.
Yeah.
So you are confirm again. 2 and then 3. You can see, check it very well, Mr. Dennis. Check it very well. Check it very well. So you can see that this particular water is very, very acidic. You can see the eyewitness from here that the water is very acidic. Let's do the chart. Please, my cameraman, you can zoom to it. You can see very, very acidic, about 4.0. Very acidic, 4.0. In fact, it's not good for hatching. It can give the whole fish. So from here now, we will test it with the treatment. This is the treatment right there. You can follow me as you can. Then let's take a more reading. You can read it from the normal water. So we are taking the treated water right from this treatment. And Mr. Dennis will do that. Take your 5 minutes, Mr. Dennis, from the treated water. 5 minutes, just 5 minutes. Just to 5. Just 5. So 5 is 5. So we are dosing it with just 5 drops of the milk. You can see 1. Okay, 2. Even with 2 drops, you can see 2, 3, you can see 3, okay, 4, you can see 4, and then 5. You can even with 5 drops, you can see the water in the second day. This is the second day. You want to confirm again that the water is corrected. This is the acidic water from the bowl. You can check it. Okay, he's trying to rinse it. He's rinsing the water. This is the second day in Porthacourt. Second day in Porthacourt. And he's trying to check 5 mil of the water because we're about leaving Porthacourt right away. We're about leaving Porthacourt. Mr. Cletus farm. We are still in Mr. Cletus farm. And he's trying to correct the water. Okay. Okay. He will dose it with 5 doses of these aqua lodge. I'm going to check it from the chart. Okay, Mr. Dennis. Test the water. 1. Continue. 2, 3. That's 3. 4. 5. I will shake it very well. You can see from the content again, it's acidic. As you can see, we are not hiding anything. Check it from the chart. It's very very acidic, 4.0, still 4.0. Okay, rinse it. Let's take water from the treated tank. Okay. We are taking a sample of the water from the treated tank. We have already drawn a sample from here. Okay, maybe let me pour it away and take a sample again. Mr. Dennis, can you go to the other side? Because this place will be so difficult for you. Go to the other side. My cameraman will follow you. Go to the other side and take a sample of the water from there. It's coming right away from the, just take a sample of the treated water from their reservoir there. So we are coming back to the treated tank. Okay. So Mr. Dennis, test your water again. He will take 5 ml of the sample of water. 5 ml, just 5 ml. Just 5 ml. Just 5 ml. Is that up to 5 ml, Mr. Dennis? Okay. You can see that I'm in a different attire, showing that I'm going back to Lagos this morning, just to confirm again that the water has not changed. Mr. Dennis, dose it with 5 doses. 1, 2. Even with 2 drops, you can see it has changed. 2. Continue, Mr. Dennis. 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see from the sample, if you look at it very well, this is almost greenish in color, and let's check it from the chart. You can see this is what 7.0, exactly 7.0, 7.0, just to confirm what we did yesterday. We are in Porthacourt right away. We have, which place is this?
Eleka, Obiako local government.
As you can rightly hear from him, say it again, Mr. Dennis.
Eleka, Obiako local government.
Eleka, Obiako local government.
Yeah.
So we are right here in Porthacourt, as they have rightly said, and we are going this morning. You can call the number showing on the screen, showing right there on the screen, or you can type what you have occurring there on the YouTube. We are right there on the YouTube, right here in Porthacourt. We are going to Lagos this morning. We've just confirmed this particular treatment, just to confirm to you that the water has not changed. The water remains the same. Thank you, and God bless you.
Okay.